On this week's episode of Friction Friday, we have the 2025 to 2026 Nissan Armada. Redesigned for a new generation, the Armada brings full-size capability, bold styling, and powerful performance to Nissan's SUV lineup. With a vehicle of this size, especially when carrying passengers, cargo, or towing, consistent braking and confident control are essential. DFC offers a complete braking solution designed to maintain the smooth, predictable response drivers expect from a full-size SUV. GeoSpec coated rotors deliver consistent braking characteristics while helping protect against corrosion from moisture, road salt, and changing conditions. Paired with the rotors, DFC's 5000 series advanced brake pads provide quiet operation, stable pedal feel, and dependable stopping performance. OE-specific hardware helps ensure proper fitment and straightforward installation. Whether commuting, traveling, or towing, DFC braking components help keep the Armada composed and controlled across a wide range of driving conditions. Components are available individually or as complete all-in-one brake kits, helping distributors simplify inventory and improve service efficiency. DFC proudly supports the 2025 to 2026 Nissan Armada with a complete braking solution, including pads, rotors, and hardware engineered for durability, consistency, and OE-level fit. If you missed this week's Must Have Monday email, connect with your DFC sales rep or visit dynamicfriction.com to download the full sell sheet organized by make and model. And as always, stay tuned for next week's Friction Friday to see what we're launching next.